Hey my glamkins, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing that what I have recently picked up from Nykaa. Few of the things I picked up during Nykaa Hot Pink sale and few of them are picked up before and after the sale, but all of them are from Nykaa itself. I won't be mentioning the price because I just don't remember, but still I'll be mentioning the links to these products and their names and everything in the description box, so please check the description box for the details. It's a mix of makeup and skincare and everything. So if you guys are interested in knowing that what I have got, then guys please continue watching. First of all, I'm gonna be starting with my essentials. I've got Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo. I've been using this shampoo from last 2 years. I love this. It's my holy grail, you guys. But you should not be using the same shampoo over and over. So I am trying a new shampoo. I will be sharing it very soon. I've started to get a lot of hair fall and itchy scalp. I have to change my shampoo. It's not because of this, obviously, but yeah, I have to change to see if my scalp gets alright. So I'll be sharing my thoughts on that product very soon, so stay tuned for it. But for now I've gotten a new one because what if I don't like that one. I have gotten the size 185 ml and this retails for 130 rupees. I've gotten smaller size, as I've mentioned I'm trying new shampoo, that's why. I repurchased Palmer's coconut body oil. I have been using this body oil from past year and a half and I love this so much. This was always out of stock on Nykaa and when I found it I have got a new one. Love coconuts. You might have heard that a lot in my last video where I reviewed Wow Skin Science coconut skincare range. Actually I love coconut so much, you guys. This bottle contains 150 ml and it retails for 510 rupees. I obviously got it in sale, so I didn't pay 520 for this. I also love the fragrance of this. Let me show you the consistency. See, it's not too thick and it just gets soaked into your skin beautifully. Sometimes I also like to mix this with my body lotions to make them a little oily, and I love to use this around my waist and around my armpits and everywhere wherever I have got stretch marks. And I have got Veet hair removal cream. I have never used this before. Just because of this pandemic we have to do everything by ourselves, so I have got this. I don't know if I'll be using this or not because I don't like using hair removal creams. I am currently shaving my hands and legs. For my armpits I thought of trying the hair removal cream because I don't like to use razors on my armpits and I'm not good waxing by myself. So yeah, I thought of trying this one out. It's for normal skin and you can use this for your body and legs, so I don't know if I can use this on my armpits, but yeah, I've got it and this retails for 125 rupees. So it comes in this tube and you get an applicator with it. If I'll use this I will let you know, but I'm still giving second thoughts that whether I want to use hair removal cream. I don't know, but I've just got it if I have got any emergency. Then I picked up Episoft. It's a sunscreen and moisturizer in one. It has got SPF 30. Lot of good reviews on this product on Nykaa, that's why I thought of giving it a go. It's paraben free and it retails for 525 rupees and it has got 75 gram of product. I've not even opened this. It comes in this tube packaging. Oops. Yes, it's very light, you guys. First impression, I love it already, you guys. This is super moisturizing. It's very lightweight. It has actually soaked up. I'll let you guys know my thoughts once I start to use this for a week. I'll let you know on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me over there. Then I picked up Pierce Coconut Water Body Wash and you know me, I love coconut, so I have to give this a go. I was running out of my body wash. I'm currently using Fiamma Devils. I love that body wash so much. It's always out of stock on Nykaa again. So I have to try something new and I got this one because I love coconuts. So I thought of trying this one out. It retails for 180 rupees and you get 250 ml of the product. I love the packaging. It's super cute, neat packaging. And also it smells so good, so I'll let you know again if I like this on my Instagram. So I was looking for new deodorant to try because the one I'm using is from Dove. It's called Invisible Dry deodorant something. I love that deodorant, you guys. I'm using that from years and years and that deodorant doesn't leave any white residue on my clothes or anything, and I was not able to find that on Nykaa or Amazon, so I have to try something new. So I picked Nivea Deo Milk Beauty Elixir. It's a roll-on. It's a dry roll-on, by the way. It retails for 225 rupees. You get 40 ml of product. It's a glass bottle. I cannot travel with this. It's very bulky and also I've used it on the very day when I got the delivery. For the first impression I was not mad at it. It didn't even left any white residue, but I have to give it a go for at least good 10 days. face. Then I'll let you know if I like this. Next I picked up Pond's Super Light Gel. It's an oil-free moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. You might have seen this all over Instagram. People talk about this moisturizer so much. Very similar to Belif Aqua Bomb and Clinique Moisture Surge. If you don't want to spend that much of money and you want something very similar to that, you should definitely try this one out. It's very affordable. This retails for 299 rupees and I'm sure that I have paid I think 230 or 220 rupees for this tub. It is a huge tub, you guys. I was using the smaller one. I like it so much that I have to get a bigger one, and this is always out of stock on Nykaa. It contains 147 gram of the product, and this is the tub. I'm not going to open this because I still have something left in my smaller tub. Highly recommend this if you are in budget and if you have very oily skin. I think you should definitely try this one out. It's very lightweight and I have actually used this under my makeup today as my moisturizer. I love this. Okay, so next I'll be sharing few of the makeup products that I have got before I finish this haul. First of all, I've got Kay Beauty 24-hour lasting transfer proof smudge proof Cold Star Kajal. It's enriched with chamomile plus ceramide, and this is the first product that I'm trying from Kay Beauty. It's in the shade Spade, and this is the kajal. I have not opened it yet. So this is how the pencil looks like, and it's retractable. That is why I've got it. I am done sharpening the pencils. I've broken so many pencils because of it. So easy to travel with. Ooh, it's so soft. It is so soft. Like literally, oh my god. So good. And it's very black. I can't wait to try this. I have got so much of new makeup to try, which I was telling you in my last video as well, that I want to film a makeup tutorial using new makeup. So I will do it very soon, so stay tuned for that. Then I picked up Color Bar Luminous Rose Boosting Oil. It comes in this cardboard packaging. Again, this was out of stock for so long. When I saw it in stock, I bought it right away. This product contains 35 ml and it retails for 850 rupees, and I paid the full amount because I bought it before the sale. I have to take pictures of this product because look at the packaging. You have to press this and then release it. I love the packaging. I was sold for the packaging for sure. I used this twice already and I love it. Highly recommend it if you have not used it. I have kept it back because I'm like this. Please don't touch me. Then I picked up two Lakme Insta Liners. I wanted to try colorful eyeliner looks. So that's why I've got this one because they are very affordable. I love the applicator of this eyeliner, you guys. You can actually draw very thin strokes. See, I thought it will be yellow, but it came out golden. It takes me back to my good old college days. Then I picked up Blue Heaven eyeliner. It's their soft kajal. I think they have got other shades as well. I picked up in blue. This product retails for 125 rupees. I'm opening it in front of you. Again, this kajal is retractable. This is nice. For 125 rupees, it's really soft. Okay, so now finishing off this haul with the last product. It's Huda Beauty Lip Contour. This is in the shade Flirt. I wanted to try their lip liners and also their powder bullet lipsticks. I will be buying them very soon. They are a little expensive, so I have to definitely think and buy. This was also expensive. I think I paid 1200 or 1150. I don't remember, but originally it retails for 1495. This is how it looks. Oh, it's very soft. And I love this shade. So it's very cool tone, as you can see, and it will help you give good definition to your lips. My upper lip is not fuller, so I have to give good definition to it, and that is why it looks like this right now. I will share you in one of my Insta clip or something that how to line your lips and make them look fuller, like how I have made them today. My lip liners are must. I will always use them. You don't need lip fillers. Just lip liners will do, you guys, and some techniques. This was the last product in this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your favorites in the comment section. Also let me know if you want to know more about any of the product in the comment section. I'll reply you back, and I'll be seeing you very soon in my next one, you guys. Bye.